Alright. Hold Tank so I can videotape, and then I'll let you videotape.
I already got my... Tank! Tank!
Come here, Tank. Damn it.
I'm already videotaping. Yeah. Yeah, is that you? Big fat mouse. Flop it, come on, flop. Did he lose energy? Nope. Nope. Looks like he's sniffing around. There's a cat. I'm gonna send a video of this to Ellie.
Sissy. You're not going nowhere. Hopefully it's not too long. Cause
he's scratching. Got his tail. I got the tail. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Yep, he wants to play. Did you see? Did you see that, Mom? It's like. No puppy. Farther than he really is. Tank, you're being a very bad girl.
all you want to do is hump him.
That's not nice.
Oh, I gotta text that.
Fish tank. Tank. Where'd he go? No, no, no. Don't go back there. Are you going? No. There he is. Now he's at mommy.
6380629.
I think we might need a puppy pad or something. There he is. There I am.
Does he need to go outside?
I don't know. He keeps on walking around. What do you think that means?